You notice here the low bridge, you've got quite a large truck here that can't get through yet, okay? Two normal sized vehicles would be able to get through this space here. So what the truck's essentially waiting for is a little bit of courtesy from the vehicles on the other side. So I'm hoping the next lot will leave them some space. Can you see the traffic's moving off, and they're not thinking about things here. They just keep piling through. You've got a white van on the right, if you notice there, stopped on where it says keep clear as well. So there's a couple of vehicles here. They're just not doing what they should be doing at this junction, really. What they should be noticing is before the bridge, they should notice that it's a low bridge and there's a big truck waiting to come through, if you notice. So they've just basically carried on, piled through. It's like stopping in yellow box junctions when your exit road isn't clear, really. So just think about what's going ahead of you. If you've got a low bridge, you should be then thinking, oh, right, well, if there's a big truck coming the other way, they're going to maybe have to move into the middle. So that's why this truck cannot get through. Just going to keep the video rolling here. Let's see how this situation plays out. So it's trying to edge the blue truck, but it's obviously it just hasn't got the space because it needs to move into the middle, because it's going to catch because it's an arch bridge, it'd catch the left side of the truck on the arch if it didn't go to the middle, basically. So this is where it shows a little bit of lack of awareness from the oncoming cars here. So you can see the traffic's moving on the right now. Let's see if some of the cars on the other side have got half a brain and can maybe figure out what's going on here. Ah, yes, there we go. The white van. You notice the white van there? Well done, white van. They've left them space. Because like I said, there's enough room for two normal sized cars here. It's just the truck requires a bit more space to be able to get through. Because you can see by this arch bridge here. Yeah, so you can see now, just us, two normal sized cars here, we fit through comfortably. So thankfully that white van saw the situation.